Exercise 13.5 of the chapter Surface Areas and Volume. The exercise 13.5 is about the volume of cube and cuboid. First we know about the formula of volumes of cube and cuboid. This is a cube and it is a cuboid. Each side is equal to the A. It means volume of cube equal to edges cube. Edge means side cube. A into A cube. And the volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. And the units, the unit of volume is cubic meter or cubic centimeter and liter, milliliter, all are the units of volume. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter and 1000 cubic centimeter and 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is the unit of volume. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. These are the units of volume. Now the question number 1. A matchbox measures 4 cm into 2.5 cm into 1.5 cm. It means length equal to 4 cm, breadth 2.5 cm and height 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? The one box, the dimension of the one box is 4 cm, 2.5 cm and 1.5 cm. The volume of 12 boxes. Okay. First we find the volume of one box. Question number 1. Length equal to 4 cm, breadth equal to 2.5 cm and height equal to 1.5 centimeter. Now the volume of one box, length into breadth into height. It means 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. 4 into 2.5 equal to 10 into 1.5. It means 15 cubic centimeter. Now the volume of 12 boxes. Volume of 12 matchbox or the box is equal to 12 into 15. 12 into 15 is 180 cubic centimeter. Very easy question. Question number 2. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? If 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. The cuboidal box, it means how many liter water? It means we have to find the volume of the tank. Length equal to 6 meter. First we have to write the dimension. Breadth equal to 5 meter and height equal to 4.5 meter. Now the volume, length into breadth into height. Formula is compulsory. Okay, 4.5. 6 5 ja 30. 30 into 4.5. It means 34 ja 120 and 15 135 meter cube. Now we have to convert into the liter. 135 into 1000. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. It means 135 135,000 liter. And we can say 135 kiloliter. Okay. Now question number 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold a 380 cubic meters of liquid? We have to find the height of the cuboidal vessel. Okay. Length equal to 10 meter and breadth equal to 8 meter. Okay. And volume equal to 380 meter cube. The formula of volume is equal to L into B into H equal to volume. It means 10 into 8 into H equal to 380. Now 380 divided by 80. Now cancel out. We have to find 4.75 meter. Next question. Question number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Simple. We have to find the volume of the pit and multiplied by the cost. Length equal to 8 meter, breadth equal to 6 meter and height equal to 3 meter. Okay, first we have to find the volume, L into B into H. Now 8 into 6 into 3. Now multiply. 8 into 6 into 3 is 144 meter cube. The cost is rupees 30 per meter cube. It means cost of digging the pit is 144 into 30. 0, 4 3s are 12, 1320 rupees. This is the answer of question number 4. Next question. Question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Find the breadth. So simple, breadth is equal to volume divided by length into breadth. But first we have to convert the liters into meter cube. Length equal to 2.5 meter and height equal to 10 meter and volume equal to 50,000 liter. It means 50 meter cube. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So we have to divide by 1000, we get 50 meter cube. Now breadth equal to volume divided by length into height. 50 divided by 2.5 into 10 is 25. 25 is 2 meter. Breadth is 2 meter. Okay. Question number 6. A village having a population 4000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? Okay. The volume of the tank is 20 into 15 into 6. Per head requirement water is 4000 into 150. Then we can find volume divided by the number of requirement. We get number of days. Length equal to 20 meter, breadth equal to 15 meter and height equal to 6 meter. Now the volume of the tank is L into B into H. 20 into 15 is 300, 6 is 1800 meter cube. And the daily water requirement per day, daily water requirement is 4000 person and each day require 150 liter water. It means 15 4 just 60 and 1 2 3 4 liter. Convert into meter cube, it means 600 meter cube. Per day water requirement is 600 meter cube and total volume of the water is 1800 meter cube. Then the number of days, how many days water lasts, equal to volume of the tank divided by daily water requirement. It means 3 days. The water will last in 3 days. Okay, clear? Next question. A go down measures, question number 7, a go down measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter that can be stored in a go down. The find the volume of the go down and divided by the volume of each crate. We can get the number of wooden crates. Length is 40 meter, go down. Breadth is 25 meter and height is 10 meter. This is then the volume of go down is 40 into 25 into 10. 40 into 25 into 10. 40 into 10 is meter cube. Okay. Now the volume of one crate. Volume of crate equal to 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Okay. Then the number of crates volume of go down divided by you can get the number of crates. This is a old book, so we get the answer in the fraction, and the new book I think it is a 1 meter, so we get the answer 16,000 number of crates. This is the correction in the new NCERT book. Okay. Next, question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of new cube, and also find the ratio between their surface area. A solid cube of side 12 cm cut into 8 cubes. It means volume of cube divided by the 8, which is the volume of new cube. Side A equal to 12 cm and the volume of cube is A cube, means 12 into 12 into 12 into 1728 cubic centimeter, and it is cut into the 8 equal parts. The new volume of new cube equal to 1728 divided by 8, 216 centimeter. This is the volume of new cube. Find the side of the new cube is the side A1 equal to cube root of 216. It means 6 centimeter. Okay. Then also find the ratio between their surface areas. It means surface areas is surface area, and surface area is old one is 6 into side square, and surface area of new A1 square. Okay. Now cancel 6. Iska the first the side is 12 into 12 and 6 into 6. 2 times. The answer equal to 4:1. Okay. The last question. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Depth is 3 meter and breadth 40 meter. Speed of the water is 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? We have to find the distance covered by the water in a minute. Okay. Height equal to 3 meter. Depth means height equal to 3 meter. And breadth equal to 40 meter. Now find the speed of water equal to 2 km per hour. The distance covered in 60 minutes is 2 km. It means the distance covered in a minute. The distance covered in a minute. It means 2000 km. 2 km means 2000 meter by 60 minute. Okay, so cancel this 0 0 100 by 3 meter. Okay, 100 by 3 meter. This is the length, and the find the volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is 100 by 3, breadth is 40 and height is 3. 3 cancel. 4000 meter cube, cubic meter or the meter cube is the volume of the water which flows through in a minute. Okay, exercise is finished now. Thank you.